is that the user is prompted to type in a letter, and then it lists out all of the countries that begin with that letter. So I'll just run through a program really quickly, and then I'll walk you through how it works. So it asks, you enter a letter, start letter U. Then I'll search for a second. And then it starts listing out the countries that start with the letter U, as you can see. So the code works by using a list in this part to hold all of the countries that we want to list out. So basically, the list is initialized here, and then the user is prompted for an answer here, a letter. And if it's not a letter, then it says invalid input. Otherwise, it goes into this for loop, so that loops through the entire database, which is like all the countries, as you can see here, 243 countries. And then it says if the first letter of the item is the letter that was input by the user, add the item to the list. So then the list is dynamically increased based on the number of countries that begin with that specific letter. And then if for some reason it equals 0, if there are no countries that start with that letter, then you just print out the statement at the top. Otherwise, then for each item in the list, you list through and then you list them all. So if I didn't use a list, I would have to change my program by basically here. And instead of adding to a list and then later printing them out, I would just have to print them out right here instead. And that's how I'd have to change my program if I didn't use a list. And you can see how just using a list, I just add the list and then loop through a list and print them at the end. It really simplifies this whole process a lot and makes it just a little more intuitive to read. Okay, thank you.